Hi, everybody. Griffin Cooper here from Ablewaytech, and I just wanted to show, we recently completed our applied swing systems course using these Kenlong swing system templates, and I just wanted to show one of the ways that we can use these templates is to find signals for intraday trading the next day. So um, we have here, our different symbol lists that then we can run through these different templates. And what we come up with then is some signals that are in critical states that are more likely to have a big move the next day. So one thing, instead of just end of day swing trading, we can also use some intraday patterns, and that's something that we talk about a lot in the upcoming applied systems development course. So today is August 21st, so I'll put in the 21st here in our report date. We got our latest data, and I'm going to run it. You can run on any symbol list. I'm actually going to run it on usual suspects. So this is a list of mostly ETFs, a couple stocks in there too that are just some favorites we have that are stocks we really like to trade intraday because they're large, they're liquid, so they have big volume. You can get filled easily, and also they just tend to move very well intraday, particularly for the kind of patterns that we use. So we'll start with these usual suspects, about 13 of those, and we'll run the Actually, oop, I've got to go back and run it on. I'll do it on the ETFs because there's more ETFs here. And then we have here now our list, and we can see what's firing. So first thing I see is the washout on Cliff, as well as a 551 and X US Steel. I'm going to sort by MPRC. So Cliff and X are the first two I see. Um, Devon is also in there. So if we look at the charts, yeah, Cliff, you could see, had a very large sell-off. Is starting to turn on the MACD. We've had one bar in our favor, so that's one to stalk, particularly because of the washout. This is U.S. Steel. We just kind of broke through this bottom channel here, so this could be an interesting throw over back up, or a start of a new regime as it broke this trend line kind of at the bottom here. And Devon, this looks like another SSC pattern with the MACD coming from winter to spring. It's had one move up, a pullback. We'll see if it can continue up, or maybe there's going to be a big failure to the downside. So I think those all three look good. Cliff, X, and Devon, we'll check those out tomorrow. And then we can also run it on the Dow 30. So we'll go to our Dow Industrials and run it on there and see what we can see rank by MPRCs. Not a whole lot of signals in the swing systems because the market has been closing higher lately, so there hasn't been a lot of kind of pullback signals. But we can still use this MPRC with the max pain as well. But you can see there's only one auto framer. Right? But if we look here, Procter and Gamble's at the top of the list, and yeah, that's an interesting one to observe with kind of this grinding channel higher. It looks like it just actually finished a rather large uh, day, an up day, so that could be something. Uh, Coke has really been on a run lately, so I have no problem stalking that and looking. Especially, it also created this kind of doji. I can't remember what that's called. I think a hammer bar at the end here that could be a sign of a reversal. So that looks interesting as well. And finally, Merck. Ooh. So yeah, Merck has had a nice recovery, completing an SSC after this big sell-off. So you see here we had the harsh winter, and now it's turning. So all those as well, Procter and Gamble, Coca-Cola, and Merck. I'll be looking to trade any of those intraday as well tomorrow using our Kata challenge pattern. So we'll show you what that looks like now. Thanks. So I think I'm going to be stalking those six symbols: Procter and Gamble, Coke, and Merck, and what are the other ones we found was Cliff, X, and Devon for tomorrow. And typically I'll look in the morning then for something that's making a mover, if you will, finding the mover. So I'll look for a symbol that's making some large moves compared to its R10 boxes. Um, Hopefully some Kata 2s or SSCs or something setting up, and then we'll go from there.